Welcome to Halloween. Spooky season! What was that? Hi! I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup only using dollar store. I was gonna say Dollarama, then dollar store. Dollar store Halloween makeup. I just went to Dollarama and got a bunch of these makeups. I had some from last year or the year before, who even knows when. So I've had some of these before, like this. Okay, so this one I don't think is dollar store because I think this is the one that I got from Spirit Halloween. Okay, so what? We can't use that one. Okay, because it says $8.99. It could have been at Dollarama, but anyways, these ones I know are at Dollarama. They all have a little Dollarama thingy on them. So I picked up some new ones and had some old ones. Okay, but anyway, I'm excited for this video. I really haven't been hyped for Halloween this year, not gonna lie. I self-tanned, so my face is like, a ghost, woo! And the rest of me is like orange, like Oompa Loompa. So just try not to mind that. I've had like some kind of plan in my head as to what we're gonna do, but I thought this was a fun video to do. I hate when people are like full face of like dollar store makeup and then they'll like pull out their Morphe brush and start blending with the dollar store shadow. It's like, girl, it's dollar store. Like, use the dollar store brushes. So I am going to use the dollar store brushes. Girl, the only lashes they had, I'm sick. So these were the only lashes I mean, we're just gonna do what we can. Let's just do it, let's just go. So, for foundation, I thought that I could blend, I hope this works, blend this white cream makeup. I'm so sure he used this for that. Like, I'm sure. Facetune is shaking. Like, he used a filter. He literally went on Snapchat, used a filter. Like, his hair doesn't even look real. Excuse me, what? Straw life, me, my old hair. I am going to use this pirate thing for like a palette to mix these on. So yeah, this one was $1.25. The pirate light for me, arr. Oh my, this would be such a good mixing palette. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, there's stuff behind it. There's like a little, what is this pointless thing? This pointless thing. It's like this flimsy sponge. Maybe it's to put behind your eye so it doesn't hurt when you put this on. Like, arr. Like, it doesn't even fit. You have to untie it. Like, arr, I don't like Amber Heard, or whatever Johnny Depp said. Okay, this is gonna be our palette to mix this in because I feel like it'd be easy. Except these strings. Okay, there. Oh my god, what is this? An earring? Stop it, this is like a pirate kit. For $1.50, girl? When people say like, I have nothing to be, it's like $1.50 and you could be a pirate. Like, or, I'm not dressing up. What? Oh, I guess if it's broken, you can. I used to do all these like drunk makeup tutorials and some people really liked them, and then other people were like, this is such bad behavior, and then they became like super not because of me, like somebody else made them really popular. That's like why I did it. But then like other people started doing it, it became this huge thing. Anyway, maybe it's not an earring. It shows him wearing it as an earring. Well, like my lobe isn't that big. Like, what? Am I Shrek? Why can't I do this? Like there, I'll just put it like that. No, it won't. I am so over this earring. What else is in this box of tricks? A makeup brush too? Like one of the spongy ones? Okay, so my plan, take this white cream makeup and then this cream makeup, or is this eyeshadow? I don't even know. And scoop some of these and mix it with this and see if we can get a foundation color. They didn't give me any powder either. So we're just gonna have to pretend it sets. So this is like a unicorn makeup set. This one's super cute. Look, it has glitter shadows, some gems, a makeup applicator, a horn. Jesus, take the wheel. Let's do this. Hello? Like, imagine. This feels like a peanut, like a packing peanut. Okay. So anyways, I'm not drunk. That's what I'm trying to say. It's like, I'm not drunk. I'm literally just doing this. And like other people started doing it and it was so funny, but it wasn't funny when I did it. Maybe because I drank too much. Is that too much brown? Oh no, I am tanned right now, as you can see. Let's just put this brown in here. Oh hey, at least I'm being creative. Now we're gonna take this. This was only $1.50. It's probably gonna break me out. Like, I have really good skin right now. Oh my god, she exploded. This was my vision. Please come to life, Geppetto be like. It forms a chemical reaction. It forms mustard gas. This is just not, this is not it, sir. I'm gonna take this whole thing. This is not going well. It kind of is working. This reminds me of when you're eating a burrito bowl and you get like refried beans in it and then you get sour cream and eat it. Kind of smells like it too. After doing all of this, I feel like it's the exact same color as this and I could have just used this. I'm really happy about that. Give this video a like, you guys. okay. Once it blends, I feel like that is my color. Okay, like see it's matching my spray tan. Okay girl, I wanna take this seriously. Like I literally wanna do a serious, like how I would normally do my makeup. It's like not really sitting on the skin. Don't hold that for me. I need a drink after this. Okay. I'm scared of getting it in my hair. It just looks like really bad foundation application. Like it feels like I got a terrible spray tan or something. If I blend it down my neck. Oh my god, it's like orange. Mixing a little bit more white in it. Oh my god. Getting the hang of it. Am I? Happy Halloween. I feel like that's as good as we're gonna get, girls and boys and ghouls. It kind of matches, like, right? It just looks like bad foundation, okay? I'm over it. I feel like we need concealer. And that's where Miss Fang comes in. We're gonna take the other end of this. Jesus help me. Hey, that's a good concealer. I feel like it's all just like spreading around and clumping me on a Friday night. Like what? Should have checked if they sold Laura Mercier setting powder at Dollarama. Like this, like it's doing nothing. It's kind of blending in it a little bit, but I actually genuinely thought this was gonna work. I was like, oh, this is a good idea to do. Like, I literally was like, this is a good idea. Eyebrows, I'm scared. I literally just have a black pencil and we're gonna try to make that work. I'll just do very light strokes. So I have this. So it's like black, red, green, blue, and like a navy dark blue and white. So black would be our option. I don't know what to do here. Make it work, right? Make it work. Makeup sticks. What does that mean? So what is everybody being for Halloween? I have to see if my costume even came. That's fun. My eyebrows have grown back a lot since getting them, whatever it's called when you get your tattoo, like tattooed but not. I'm glad I get my like natural brows back. I'm just gonna like lightly do this because I'm literally not trying to make this a joke. French toast. Like here we go. This kind of looks good, right? They're filled in. God, my face is so sticky. Like this works. At least there's color payoff on this. Like, I'm not trying to do a makeup look here. I'm trying to like do like a wearable look. It's not happening. I literally look like Dracula or something. There's the brows. At least they're filled in. They look good. I feel like the brows look good. Here's the palette. It's giving Claire's. This is the applicator they gave me. Ugh, love it. We're gonna put pink on the lids. See how they're glittery? Do you see where this isn't glittery? That's what happened. I just went to go swipe this and like all the glitter came off. Oh, there's some on here. Swirly, swirly. Okay, ready? What? Oh, cute, a little. I'm gonna flip it around and do this purple side. Oh, all this like frosted glitter. Oops. Does she build? Like, what? Imagine being a child and being so excited for your makeup and like saying, oh, I'm gonna be a unicorn, and then it doesn't work. I'm like globbing it on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Everything's so like wet and sticky. I feel like I'm in the middle of summer. I actually feel like I'm in preschool and I'm doing my makeup before school. I mean, I wouldn't do my makeup before school, but if I was a preschooler who had to do my makeup, I don't know why I would. Anyways, this makes no sense, but you know what I mean? Like, I feel like this is like makeup that I would have. This is the result that would happen. Or if I was like doing my makeup on my brother when I was a child, like this is what it looked like. There's no mascara in sight. Use one of these. Look at that. Hey! 1 year for Halloween. I'm just gonna tell a Halloween story as I look like I don't even know. I think I might fix the foundation, try to make it lighter or something. I don't know. I'm gonna put some liner at the top of my lids here. Holy shite. 1 year for Halloween, I went to go ring the doorbell to get some candy. I forget what it was. I don't even know. I think a Ninja Turtle. And I went to go knock on someone's door. I was like sus at the front person at the front door because I was like, they're literally fake. Like they're gonna jump out and that, like it was a scarecrow. I should have said that at the starting. But back then, I don't know if it is still now, people would like fill fake scarecrows full of like leaves or something. I'm like lightening this up a little bit with this, which I think is a way better idea. I'm trying here. I was like, that's fake. Like I knew it right away. I was like, that's not real. That's not a real person. I mean, that's a real person. They're fake. My mom was like, oh no, go, it's fine. And I walked up and the person jumped up and scared me. And I literally ran inside their house. I was like, I'm not running back there. My mom, I could hear her laughing. So I was like, that person's not gonna protect me. So I'm just, you know what, fend for myself. I have to fend for myself and run for my life. So I just ran as quick as possible to inside their house and I went right under somebody's bed. This looks way better, by the way. Okay, bye glitter. Yep, I just ran right in their house and ran under the bed. Like whatever, I mean, that's what you get, right? Like you're scaring a child, like I'm gonna run under your bed then. And I literally wouldn't come out. And they probably told all of their like friends for the rest of their lives that like some kid got so scared. Like, love that for me. Do you think I could do a cut crease with this? No. Hey, this is a purple, not a navy blue. Actually, it is. I don't even know. Wait, is this purple or navy blue? What an interesting color. Why do these low-key look like bullets also? Oh, look at the creasing already. We already have a cut crease. Anyway, I look like trash. Gem time! black? No, we're doing a colorful look here. Here are the colors. I don't know what hair this is between the two of those that are stuck. Cute, okay girl, what? There we go. You know what, I took it over the top when it's like, oh, don't go to strangers' houses. I like literally ran in there and had a sleepover. Anyways, these are uneven. Let's do more, let's do this blue one. Cute, why is that actually kind of cute? Anyway, so I would just suggest to not do this look for Halloween. Nobody was going to. Here. Wow, these are really like not even. I wonder if I can move them. Oh, I can't. Because my face is so slippery. Okay. Hi. Why is this kind of low-key cute? Oh my god, I really don't want to put on these lashes, but I wear lashes, okay? Okay, they didn't give me glue, so the only thing I'm using is Duo Lash Glue because they didn't give me glue. Like, what is this? Who's gonna wear these, honestly? I saw these, I was like, what? Why is it kind of cute? I realized I forgot lipstick, and then I just decided that I think I'm gonna mush together the red and white here and make pink before the lashes, because I know the lashes are gonna freaking ruin it. Everything is so messy, like, oh my god. I just crunched this trying to get it out. Like, what? I'm gonna read the red. Are you looking at what's happening here? Like, red and white make pink, right? Like, usually. Like, isn't that science? It just made red. That's what we got. I guess it's kind of pinky. Here, we're gonna take some. Where? Like, but it's taken away from there. Where? This is the worst. What the Imagine, like, my mom was like, I'm coming over to give you something right now, and I came in the door like this. She'd be like, are you okay? Actually, low-key, she would be like, oh, hi, because I'm always doing weird shit. Okay, like, what? Jesus. This is a choice. Ghastly. The gems are kind of cute, though. If I put a filter on this, it would look cute. I don't think I need the Duo Lash Glue because these are super sticky. I just cut some off a little bit. Let's just see what we can do here to fit my eye. Like, I'm gonna be wearing these all day. When I tell you these are the only ones left, these were the only ones left. Like, I can't. These are real sticky. Like, what are these? Like, pom-poms? Like, what? They can't be also glued on because there is no band. Like, I think you're supposed to, like, put them on, like, flat. You know what I mean? Because, like, I literally feel sick. I'm gonna use some Duo because I actually want to see how they look.
I hate when people are like full face of like dollar store makeup and then they'll like pull out their Morphe brush.
I'm gonna use some Duo. So I literally have to. Like, they gave me nothing. Like, these are so awkward to put on. There's like no real like lash band. Like, these aren't lashes. These are literally like a string of pom-poms. Like, you can't put that on your eye. Like, what? It literally won't go on. This is a disaster. Stick. Like, see how they're like lifting up? Like, I can't. As soon as you go to put this side down, this side lifts straight up because they're not lashes. Jesus. Oh, they're kind of sticking. What would you be with these is my question. Like, a clown maybe? Me right now, I literally feel like a clown. Like, oh my god. Good as it's gonna get. Purr! My face is getting so itchy. Oh, well, that did not go as planned at all. Okay, for my last trick, I got this Halloween wig. If you guys saw my Snapchat, you would have already seen this. Go follow me on Snapchat. Right here, I give you guys like things before the video. Don't forget your wig cap. Uh-oh. Anyways, this was $4 at Dollarama. I was expecting this look to actually look cute. I'm glad I got the foundation to blend a little bit better. Foundation, that's a stretch. This is not a wig cap, right? I've always wondered, is this not a wig cap? Because I know what a wig cap is, by the way. I know what a wig cap is, but I'm just saying, like, is this also a wig cap? Or is this just to hold the wig in place? You know, I should just go get a wig cap. I'm just gonna give it a wig cap. Cute. Put this on. I don't want to get like this makeup on this wig cap though. That's the thing. Okay. I just thought this was funny. Oh, what is this? Why is this low-key cute? It feels soft. It's the bob for me. I kind of like this hair color. Okay. I'm now living my true Oompa Loompa status with my tan that's like not cute. My Oompa Loompa. Okay, I kind of like this. Okay, so I'm calling it Oompa Loompa Unicorn. Cute. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I gave you a laugh. I wanted to do something Halloween content this year that wasn't just like a taste test or like a drunk makeup thing. And you know what? I should probably just stick to those because I look like 3 days after Halloween. Like, if you find me like walking around in the middle of the street, like you find me and I'm like half drunk, I don't even know, like trying to get an Uber, like I'm the night of Halloween, to be honest. Well, there's that. I hope you guys have a great day. I might do some OF content in this wig, but anyway. This is cute. Okay, I love you guys. Sorry for, like, I literally tried. I tried. Happy Halloween, be safe, and check your candy and check your kids' candies or your brothers and sisters' candies. Love you. Bye.